Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download all photos and videos from Google Photos in one click. Yeah, you can actually do that with just one click rather than just doing that manually, like having to select a lot of them to download that. So you can actually do that. I'm going to show you. You can actually do this steps I'm going to be showing you from your PC and your computers as well, right? So first thing you have to do is open up your Google Photo just like this and look above your screen. You can see your profile right there. Click on your profile and click on manage Google account. So that's what we are going to be doing. Click on that and you have to scroll down to search for data and privacy. See mine right here. I'm going to click on that and you have to scroll down a little bit because you have a lot of options right here. So we are looking for content saved from Google services. So I'm going to click on that and wait for that to load up. So this is like a Google dashboard. So you have to scroll down. Here's my YouTube, my map, my photos, calendar, drive, and the rest of that. So what we're looking for is actually photos, right? This is Google Photos. As you can see, it's going to tell you the numbers of photos and videos you have on your Google Photos. So I have only 46. So what are we trying to do? We're trying to download. So you click on download. Once you click on download, if you have not actually signed in, you'll be asked to actually sign in to this. What I've signed in already. So here is where everything is going to happen. After this, you just have to click on next step. Once you click on next step, you have to actually send a email for them to actually send the download link directly to. You can see right here. Maybe you can add your drive or your Dropbox, OneDrive, or anyone you want to choose. So you can now either choose the frequency, export once or export every 2 months for 1 year. And here is the file size you have to choose from, or the gigabytes you have to choose from actually. So you click on create export. So once you click on that, it's going to be exported to your Gmail or any other link you sent to them. You are going to receive a email when the export is done. You can see that. So I'm going to click on cancel because I don't need that. So this is actually how to do this. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.